Hey there everyone, I'm Vickie Howell, founder and stitcher-in-chief of YarnYAY, and I am always happy to be here at this time of the month because it's when I get to let the goods out of the bag, or the box as it were. This is when I get to share the amazing companies I partnered with and gorgeous products that I've hand selected for you, my dear YarnYAYers, to come in the latest YarnYAY subscription box. So not only do we have that to be happy about, but also September means official crafting season. All right, I never stop knitting, crocheting, crafting, sewing, all of the things, and now during these times, arguably time and space doesn't matter, but nevertheless, I'm going to celebrate. We're about to come upon fall and holidays and just gift giving season in general. So let's start by giving a gift to ourselves with the September YarnYAY box. All right, so first off, let's talk yarn. This month I have partnered up with Earth Yarns, and you are going to get one of two hanks, full hanks of their harvest worsted. It'll be a surprise because if you're watching this, then you're not getting surprised by all the content. So you'll get one or the other of these gorgeous yarns. These are dyed with fruits and nuts. This color is black grape. This is fig. These just scream, you know, lush, fall, lovely harvest to me. And this company, Earth, is family owned and also powered by women dyers in Istanbul and Mersin. So you can feel good about that, as well as the fact that for every hank they make and sell, they plant a tree in Africa. So squishy, delicious, and feel good. So that is our featured yarn, Earth Harvest Worsted. All right, what are we gonna make with that yarn? Well, we always include both a knitting and crochet pattern, both for the same type of item, so everybody feels included. Later, we'll also send you some other ideas in case our jam isn't yours. But this particular month, I'm really focused on, I was really inspired by sort of dapper style. And we are going to be making hats. And I'll talk a little bit more about the names behind them when I show you the next thing. But we are going to be making one of two hats. The first one is the racer hat. And I love this hat. It is designed by my buddy, Chris Bales, who also is on the YarnYAY team. It has mock cables, it's super classic, and it's got this really interesting paper bag top. I think it's so cool, but also remarkably classic and, dare I say, dapper. All right, so that's the knit version. The crochet version I designed, this one is your sort of a go-to ribbed beanie. What I love is we'll be using a stitch, and by the way, I do tutorials for my YarnYAYers for all of these, so it's not just about what you buy, it's about us hanging out, learning, becoming inspired, and empowering. So I'm going to show you this really cool stitch that looks like knit rib, but is actually crocheted. Another stitch that looks like mock cables, but is not. This whole piece is knit straight and then seamed together. Really beautiful. This is both of these hats and everything sort of in this month's box are meant to be for everyone. Guys, gals, in between, just really solid fall pieces. All right, and then in every single box, you always get a booklet, a color printed booklet that has the patterns for both items. You will also receive them digitally from us, as well as information about all of the companies and initiatives that you're supporting by supporting YarnYAY. We are a rising tide company, so we fully believe that everybody that we partner with, we love to promote each other, and we figure that if you like the little tastes of the products that they have from us, that you'll go and give them more business. You'll go to your local yarn stores, buy larger quantities of yarn, and just pay it forward in that respect. So that is the yarn and the patterns. And this handsome fellow is my middle son, Tristan. All right, and then our next thing is, I'm really excited about this because I've seen a lot of scissors. I'm a professional crafter, I've been so for 17 years, but these are different. So everybody is going to get a pair of slice self-closing snips. So you'll get a pack, it'll look like this. And what's great about these, well, first of all, these are $20, y'all. I'm a Southern California girl that lives in Texas now, woman that lives in Texas now. I don't bust out y'all very often. $20 and you're getting them in this pack. But what I love about them is they're ergonomic because they're self-closing. They're really great for folks that might have arthritis or just sore hands from all of the knitting, crocheting, swiping, whatever it is that you do. Also, they're made with these innovative blades, and you can read more about that on our website, that are better for the environment and they won't rust. And the feel-good thing, there's feel-good stuff for all of the things in this box, is that 1% of Slice sales goes to research for autism. And so I'm going to be talking a lot about Slice over this coming month. I'll do a separate post so you can see more of their products, but I really, really love this. All right, and our last product is a new one for me. So this was kind of the impetus for this entire box, but then thanks to the Ronas, the launch for it is going to happen at a different time. So you're gonna have to walk with me a little bit. So glad we're friends because I'm really excited about this. So I love all that is vintage. I've been really inspired lately by hot rods, by the racer stripes that you see on, like old school cars and helmets. And so I have teamed up again with my friends over at DelaQ, and I will soon be launching a unisex brand for the Dapper and all of us called FellaQ. So they are bags that can be for knitters or crocheters, but they can also be just bags for life. So I'm going to be showing you those later. I will be doing a video shortly, so keep your eyes open. We are waiting for the shipment to come from the all-women run sewing house in Vietnam, who also made our exclusive item that you are getting in this box. So this is, you are going to get a drawstring pouch in one of two colors. Where did I put it? They all went overboard. So either in this navy and natural, which you'll get if you get the plum, or excuse me, this kind of grapey yarn. Scratch that. You'll get this one if you get the olive color yarn, or you'll get the olive color, because we like to shake it up a little bit, if you get the black grape. These colors are two of the colorways that will be a part of the FellaQ brand. But what the signature is the racing stripe down the center. So think cool, think vintage, and think, you know what? Just think dapper. All right, so the full line will be coming out this month in September. We'll actually be shipping this month, and I'm going to be doing a separate video for them. But only my YarnYAYers are getting this exclusive. These are not in the line, but they're inspired by the line, and they are coming with this in this box. So YarnYAY September. I don't always talk about the value because I'm not trying to be a salesy brand, but I'm pretty psyched about the fact that there is around $68 worth of gorgeousness in this box, and it's only $35. And that's pretty rad. So go to YarnYAY.com and check it out. Make sure that you subscribe to September. Keep your peeps open for FellaQ. That's coming later on this month. And if you would like, we do have Knitter's Pride ginger crocheted hooks that are the appropriate size for the crochet hat. So you can go ahead and add that on, and we'll throw it in your box with them. I believe that it is size H that you need, but let me confirm that. Yeah, it's a size H. So you can go ahead at YarnYAY.com and add that on as well. Thank you so much for sitting and watching another YarnYAY unboxing and just hanging out with me. I hope to hang out with you a little bit in our YarnYAY Facebook group that is open to our subscribers, and also be seeing you on the boards. All right, I'll see you at YarnYAY.com. Thanks.